In primetime news tonight, destruction and death. Bahamas prepares for aftermath of Hurricane Dorian. Vector control activities intensified in Norwood St. James as more residents are diagnosed with dengue fever. And NWA defends management of road projects.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, complaints this evening from egg farmers. They say the industry is being stifled by taxes. I'll give you their arguments and their suggestions later in the business day.
And Spencer Darlington, what's happening in sports?
Thank you very much, Archie. Well, there's an ongoing dispute between the JFF and the Reggae Girls over outstanding payments to the players. The team's top striker has weighed in on the matter. We'll give you details in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, should the government move to implement legislation to facilitate mandatory evacuation when a hurricane is approaching?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after these messages.
News headlines.